urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ashtabula County, northern Crawford County, Pennsylvania, Erie County, Pennsylvania, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a line of severe thunderstorms producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Erie to 6 miles north of Jefferson and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Albion, Waterford, Edinburgh, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Corry, Spartansburg. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula County, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford and Erie.